the purpose of this screencast is to go over your first individual weekly wrap-up summary paragraph. So it is paragraph 1, which covers the week of 9/9 through 9/13, or the week that you just got through. This is the post on Classroom, which you've already seen because you've accessed this screencast, or perhaps you've already seen it. And it basically gives you an overview, or a shortcut to what you're doing. You're covering the week of 9/9 to 9/13. It's your first individual effort. And then here's the question. I'm going to read this question again when we get into the Google Doc, but it is, what did you learn during the week of Monday 9/9? From Monday 9/9 through Friday 9/13. Focus on big ideas, like founding ideals or the factors. Notes, we took notes on the factors. In-class activities, Socratic discussion, factors, family feud. The following items should be in your paragraph. So founding ideal, Socratic discussion, pull factor, push factor, economic factor, political, and social factor should all be inside your paragraph. Now when you click on this Google Doc, it's going to open up this. And this is for you. It's your own version. It should have your name up top here in front of it. And we've gone over all of this in class, but I'm going to quickly go over it again, just so you completely understand the assignment. So it's called Weekly Wrap-Up Summary Paragraph 1. It's from 9/9 to 9/13 is the week it covers. This basically says you're working on memory work, so remembering the content. You're also working on writing skills. These are some of the writing practice that you're learning. You're learning TSC, or topic, sentence, supporting details, and concluding sentence paragraph structure. You're also working with time sequence, or a description paragraph structure, which is called a text structure. That's a way of organizing your paragraph. Transition words, a variety of sentence structures, simple, compound, complex. And you want to have a focused summary, so you're really focusing on the big ideas and on that single week. And then reviewing your work, reading it, revising it, editing it, and having 3 or fewer errors. There is memory practice. By writing things in your own words, you put it into your long-term memory, and by revisiting ideas, it's called spaced retrieval, you also store it in your long-term memory, which is infinite. Every week you're going to need to look at Cornell notes, homework assignments, journal entries, and what we did in class in order to bring about the topics you'll discuss in your paragraph. So it's a good idea to have your notebook with you at home. Transition words, it's good to look back at this because here's examples of various transition words you can use. And also sentence structures. You need to use all 3 of these at least once. So you want to come back here to see the formula, as well as look at an example of what that type of sentence looks like. It dives a little deeper into the TSC paragraph structure here and tells you what needs to be in a topic sentence, about how many supporting details you need. And then for the concluding sentence, it says it restates the topic, but I give you a starter, and that starter is as a result of the topic, and then you'd put down what you learned, and then you'd go into recapping what you learned. So it gives you that starter. We went over that in class. You have 2 samples here. One is the one about Biff and his diet, and you can see the color coding tells you where the topic sentence is, the supporting details, as well as the concluding sentence that matches up with this. And then we did this together last week. So this was kind of technically your first weekly wrap-up, but we did it together, and that's on the founding ideals. And it uses the same structure. Your paragraph should look a lot like this. Then we get into your actual assignment for this week. It's called the week of 9/9 to 9/13, first individual effort. Here's that question that I already read, but I'll read it again. What did you learn during the week of 9/9? Focus on the big ideas, like factors and founding ideals. Look at your notes that you took on factors, class activities, factors, family feud, and the Socratic discussion. Things that need to be in there. You need to put the word founding ideal somewhere in your paragraph. Socratic discussion needs to appear somewhere in your paragraph. Pull and push factor should be in your paragraph. Economic, political, and social factors, those terms should all be in your paragraph. You write your paragraph here, so you start typing in this box. This is what I'll check in order to see that you did your paragraph, and you can just erase what it says here and start typing your paragraph. Here's the rubric I use to grade your paragraph, and it's out of 10 points. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to email me or ask, and thank you very much for your attention.